name is Tim Brazfield and I'm a project manager with Stanley Custom Hubs. Today I'll be showing you what the blue box installation means, which is done by the electricians. Here I'm at the foyer in one of my houses, and you'll see we've got a double gang electrical box here for switches, and the electrician has labeled, as of yesterday, what wires need to go into this box. It says 2R up means 2 recessed up and 4 recessed tall. And then you'll have a 3-way switch and a 4-way switch here in this box that controls it. It'll also be controlled at the top of the stairs and down here further down the hallway. So you can turn them on and off in different areas. So here you see you've got your standard switches. Here we've got another situation with different things. I won't go into that. But you got your standard outlets going in per code. All the recessed lights ready to go up in the ceiling. Here we have the electricians doing the kitchen area. You can see they've nicely laid out the recess cans to go in the ceiling. I hope that helps explain that. The next process will be they'll start pulling the wires to hold the boxes and all of your recessed lights. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.